So me and Connor and I are
Yes.
going to do a little craft.
Ultimate craft.
Ultimate craft.
What?
Should have thought of a theme tune for this. The ultimate craft, the ultimate craft, the ultimate craft.
Please never do that again.
Yes, so we're going to turn this everyday fork
Into a lock for a
into
door.
a lock for a door.
I just
You
said
need
that.
one pair of pliers
And a fork you don't care about.
and a fork
That you don't care about.
that you don't care about. Sorry, fork, we don't care about you no longer.
We don't love you anymore.
So
Because maybe that was a
you
bit
need to bend the fork tips.
about 1 centimeter, was it?
Yeah, about 1 centimeter, which I think would
Oh,
be
I'm just gonna.
maybe that
It's
would be
fine.
about 1 centimeter, and I will take that with my strong ultimate muscles. I will bit with my strong ultimate muscles. I will bit with my.
Are you actually struggling? Are you actually struggling?
No, it's only joke.
You put it 2 at once. Jeez.
So there,
How are you a master?
and
This is gonna be like a 2-minute video, Daddy. How the heck?
there,
How did you just?
and there you have the ultimate back scratcher. Oh
Daddy,
yeah,
don't do that.
or nose picker.
Daddy, seriously, never do that.
And then we need to get the handle broke off.
And I'm
Here?
stressed. No, I think it was a bit like. Yeah,
Right there?
there.
Right there. Well, to do that, it's easy.
Owen has
Just
entered the room.
doing. Owen just came into the room to see our video of. We're,
Trying to lock a door before?
yes.
Yeah, so on those.
We're gonna do
I showed
this.
him the video before.
So,
Snap it, Daddy! Snap it like Snapple! Snapple!
Snap it like Squidward's neck.
Snap
Squid.
it like Nichols.
What
Owen wants to snap it like knickers.
the hell?
Owen, have you been to a strip bar again?
Oh my god, Daddy.
There.
Okay, Mike.
Careful, the ends are sharp.
Who would have thought? It's Daddy, you need to take over recording now.
So, hold on.
I'm
I
trying
need
to
to get that straightened because I
Yeah.
bent it when I was bending it. Bent it when I was breaking it.
I bent when I was bending it.
Careful, when you bend the fork, it might bend.
I bent it. I bent because I bent it, Daddy.
Right.
2019.
There we are. And always set your tools in a safe place. Above the washing machine is just fine. It's a safe
Let's
place.
take over recording.
So I'll take over the recording, and here we have Connor Parr.
I can't wait to eat
In
my
his
dinner.
natural
My
habitat.
fork! Okay,
So we're going to lock this door.
Yeah, this is the door.
There we are. Dum, dum, dum. So let me see, Connor, what you have to do. You have
Do
to
that.
put it in this bit here.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
do a massive fork.
And it's in that
Daddy,
bit.
I don't think this is a long enough fork.
Yeah, well, there. See, it's long enough fork.
Let's try.
So there,
Close the door.
and then
I
we
don't trust you.
close the door. And
Can't
you keep
smell.
it. Oh my goodness.
smells.
You were meant to hold it in it while you're closing the door. I think we needed the wee handle a bit longer. But sure. Oh my goodness, I've lost it behind the fridge.
No, I get it.
Right,
Oh, yeah. Can I let me close the door this time?
right, you close the door. Now, there we are. And what do you do with that bit?
I'm supposed to fill it through this bit here. It's still in the room.
Oh, right. These are wide doors we have, you see. So let me see.
Yeah, we probably should have got on a fork then. Which one?
We need. Oh, right.
Do we have any short doors in this house?
I don't think so. Let me see.
Actually,
Ah, get in there. Well, we did do it right, but that's meant to come. I think our doors, because they're wheelchair accessible doors, so they're a wee bit thicker and wider. But no, it still should work. I don't think the frames are. What are they?
I think I know the problem now, Daddy. These bit is too short.
Yeah, but let me see
Maybe-
our other forks.
Oh my gosh, Dad, I think that's a problem.
What?
I think you went too far down to bend the fork. I'm pretty sure you're only supposed to do
That's-
this a little bit.
Why? Look, that's
So
only.
there's more room for it to do.
Yeah, but that's only a wee centimetre. All right. Well, I can do it again. Right.
You
Okay.
can try again with that.
Yeah, I can rebend it.
I'll take over.
Yeah. And I got an itchy palm, so this is doing really, really good.
cut
So what we
myself.
need to do is fix these again,
Yeah,
and this
I
time
think
not
it's been like
go as far. So we'll bend the back. We'll bend the back.
Daddy, we should do a video on Sue Group.
Daddy,
Well,
The moldable glue that
I'm listening to you, Owen.
what did you say, Connor?
I think
We
you were
should
talking
do
to me.
a
You were.
video about Sugru.
Sugary?
Yeah,
I
moldable glue that dries in 24 hours.
I was just about to ask Daddy, can
What?
I get sugar?
Sugary?
Yeah.
What is sugary?
A moldable glue.
Multiple glue.
Moldable! It hardens in 24 hours.
It's kind of like clay.
Technically.
Is that what you were talking about yesterday?
Sugru!
He didn't know what you called it. He was saying about clay, and I said it was a pottery clay. And he says
It was
no.
a big fat clay.
Sugary. Is this someone makes sugary?
No.
Or do you make it yourself?
Okay, are you done?
Nope.
Are you... Daddy, you're gonna break the fork, jeez.
Let me see.
Today, I'm going to show you a number of really cool tech hacks.
Owen,
What?
can we get this copyrighted?
It's not a song.
Yeah, I was just we're recording here, son.
Daddy.
Right.
Owen, it doesn't matter.
Sugary. Right. Okay.
The moldable glue that dries in 24 hours. Okay, have you bent them yet?
Yeah, I just need to get that straightened up.
Daddy, you're gonna actually snap that fork, don't.
Snapple.
Snap.
Snapple. Snap apple. Right. Here we
We're
go.
gonna swap over.
Here is.
I thought, did you sit in the recording?
Here is take number 2.
Okay, yeah, that's mine.
Our 5-minute craft is turned into 6 minutes 21 seconds. It could be a new thing. Instead of 5-minute craft, 6 minute 27-second craft.
I'll have to get it in right.
Or you can just use
Stop going.
dum
No.
dum 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 dum.
No, it's not even in right.
Dum dum.
Wait a minute.
Dum 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 dum.
Can't really fit in these, can it?
I
I know what to do then. Give us it. Here we go. Trial and error once again. Here, take it.
Oh.
Right?
Jeez, this is supposed to be like a 2-minute video, not two. No,
Yeah.
it's 7 minutes. This is a 7-minute long video, Daddy.
7-minute class.
7-minute crafts. 1 hour crafts. 85 hours. A whole day craft.
2 days later.
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson.
Wax statue.
Michael Jackson.
This is gonna
did
be
it.
Right.
close up. What the hell are you doing?
I need to widen them apart, and I was thinking if I do that, I don't know how to widen it. Yeah, like this.
How does he have thick fork?
There.
I want thick fork.
Why?
Give me thick
You need the
fork
right
for my
fork, you
birthday.
see. So I was just trying to
So we
widen.
should just buy a fork
There.
then.
So now this,
Did you actually just do that?
this should fit in there,
Okay.
no problem.
Okay.
So
Yes, this is zoomed out completely. Just
Who's flipping?
never say that again.
Who's flipping?
who flipping?
Please.
I said poo. Poo.
Okay.
What? Just to lock a door.
Yeah.
Because you are so much work.
Be honest.
Daddy, how is poo?
Oh, no, don't touch my
Oh,
box.
okay.
Yeah.
I don't even think it's anywhere near it.
What's
Yeah.
happening?
I don't know how to do one.
Don't know where it came from.
You kind of bent one of these forward a bit.
Okay. Do you want me to do it, Connor?
No, I want to do it.
I'm just standing here looking at this, and you know what? I think I'll be able to do it first go.
Okay.
Try put it in the other way then. If it doesn't go in that way,
Why didn't I try that first?
that's what I'm saying. I'm just thinking that I would be able to do it first go, but I don't know. Either the top or the bottom one, Connor, you're putting it into. That's the ones that widened.
No.
No, but that needs to go on by. No, we need longer.
We need a longer
Fork.
fork.
You need a thicker fork.
Wait.
Finally done it. Now let me see up close.
Uh,
Let me see up close. We're meant to have a bit of cardboard here so it
you
doesn't
don't,
scrape the
you
door.
don't have to, but you can.
But is that hooked in? Okay.
Oh, I'm just gonna open it.
Is it hooked in?
No. It just fell out.
Okay.
Okay, Daddy, I'll record and you try this. You want to keep the box for you?
Okay.
We probably need a longer fork, to be honest.
Wait,
Right.
I'm gonna stay there and
You stay there.
in the door.
Oh, and you're gonna be
Got
out
it.
there for like half an hour.
I'm just going the same but more hookier.
Hookier,
Hookier.
hookier.
Yep, that's a
Hooky?
new word.
Oh, is that cookie still
Yeah.
there? No, yet.
Smear.
Thick fork.
See, it needs to be 1 centimetre. Now it isn't 1 centimetre. We've loosened it down.
I can't get a good view.
So there,
I believe in you, Daddy.
there.
She's just so blurry.
Um,
Blurry face.
okay.
Did you actually just do it? Did you try and get in a bit more, Daddy?
No, we're gonna end up scraping the door.
Daddy, I don't want to
There. Oh, and try it now.
I thought you were holding the door.
No.
That's
No,
not
we
what-
need this to be a longer. These here need to be longer
So
for
we're
that to work. So we need a different fork. This won't work on that door because these aren't long enough to have the hook round.
Should
we
we-
made it long enough, but the hook isn't enough to grip on. So the 1 centimetre was fine, but these weren't long enough to go
So
in.
we still need a better fork.
Yeah. So
We're gonna do this all in
check.
one video.
Another fork. So what we'll do, we'll say bye bye for this and we'll do it again.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get another fork and we're going to make an actual 2-minute video doing it.
Okay. This is
Bye.
11 minutes. Bye. Okay, I need to hold on. Let me get the zoom up. Okay, so go on. Me? Hey!